Look at any airport in the world and you'll notice a pattern. Almost every single jet is painted a boring, clinical white. In a world where airlines spend millions on branding, why would they choose the same color as a kitchen appliance? As it turns out, that white paint is a high-tech tool that saves lives and millions of dollars. First, let's talk heat. A plane sitting on a tarmac in Dubai or Vegas is like a giant metal oven. White paint reflects nearly all the sunlight that hits it, keeping the cabin significantly cooler. If you painted a Boeing 777 black, the interior would bake, forcing the cooling systems to work overtime, burning massive amounts of fuel before you even take off. In fact, the supersonic Concorde had to be white. At Mach 2, air friction heated its skin to over 120 degrees Celsius. A darker color would have pushed the metal to its melting point, literally compromising the airframe. But it's also about what you can't see. Aviation is a game of millimeters. Over time, planes develop tiny cracks, oil leaks, and corrosion. On a dark blue or red fuselage, a small leak is almost invisible. On a bright white background, it sticks out like a sore thumb, allowing mechanics to spot a disaster before it happens. Then, there's the bird factor. Studies show that birds see white planes as a high-contrast threat against the sky, helping them avoid collisions that cost the industry billions every year. Finally, it's about the bottom line. A custom, colorful paint job adds up to 1,200 pounds of weight to a plane. That's like carrying 6 extra passengers for free on every single flight. Add in the fact that white paint doesn't fade in the sun and has a higher resale value, and the choice is simple. White isn't boring. It's just smart business. Next time you board your flight, look at the paint. It's doing more work than you think.